Hello coders, welcome to my channel. In the last video, we have seen how to install an IDE for our C compilation. Okay, so as a newcomer, I'll try to explain the basic C program. We'll take a hello world program that you have seen in the last video as well in the setup VS Code with C. And now we will be, explaining that hello world program. There, each and every line, what it means. We'll also tell you what is, the compiler and how this program got compiled. Okay. So let's start with that program. So hash include std dot h. Okay. So what is this? So this is a pre-processive directive which start with hash include, and studio.h is a header file. Okay. So maybe you're not understanding what is header file. We'll see when you proceed in this tutorial. So this is a header file. So I'm just giving it comment. Okay. So this header file include input output functions. So we will be using the output function here. So for that reason, I'm using studio.h header file. So what happens with this file, I'll tell you later. So next is int main, then we have return 0, then I need to print hello world in the console or the terminal. Okay, I'll save it. Okay. So this printf function, okay, this is a part of this studio.h. If we don't include this line, our program will give us error. Okay. So next part is int main. Okay. So what is this? This is the starting point or the entry point for our program. So when the loader loads our program binary, it will start from the main and sequentially it will execute other lines. Okay. For example, if I have two printfs here, so it will first go to this line, resolve that. If there is no error, then it switch to the second line. So this way, this program is starting, but the main entry point is int main. So when you run a.exe, the default binary that came out of this program, so you will be end up here. First statement is hello world. So I think let's compile this first, then we'll see what are the other statements. Okay. So I'll compile the code.c. So code.c is this file, and hyphen o, I'm giving the name to this compiled binary, which is executive through this. If I'm not giving it, so it will create a default a.exe file. Okay, let's try, I think. So you have seen here a.exe is been created as a default file. Okay, so if I give hyphen o, the name of the object file is code, then give any other name as well. So it will compile for code.exe. Okay. So when I try to run code.exe, it will give me hello world and hello there in a single line. So hello world and hello there, but it is in the single line. So if I need to put it in the next line, then I'll try for slash n here. Sorry. I'll save it. Once I save it, I need to compile it again. Once it is done, I have to run it. So now you can see these two outputs are in two different lines. So this is a terminal where we are getting this output through printf function. And this printf function is declared in this header file. Okay. So this header file actually is a part of libc library. Okay. So libc is using this, GCC is using this lib .c file to resolve this printf. Okay. So actually this is also a function somewhere defined in libc, and but the header file is this only. So this way we can compile our code. Okay. So next is the return statement. So once our all of our code is been finished, then this main we are returning 0 to it so that it can tell the OS like there is no error in our code and our code is executed successfully. So what are the main points here? So we have seen how what is the structure of our C program. It consists of a header file, the main function, and this APIs and the return. And we are using this within the curly braces. Okay. The next we seen that this is a compiler and we are giving some code.c file to this GCC to make an executable. Okay, you can give the name of the executable as well with this flag -o to GCC. Okay, so thank you.